Stan Freeman here with Living in Puerto Vallarta Mexico YouTube channel. If you like this video, please make a comment below, like our video below, and please subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out. So if you're thinking about moving in 9 days or 90 days or even 9 months, please feel free to give me a call, an email or a text, and I'm here to help you make that smooth move to Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. Hola amigos, so today I'm here in the beautiful Zona Romantica neighborhood of Puerto Vallarta, Mexico, and I want to take you on a tour of an amazing condo here. It's on the eastern edge of the Zona Romantica, up the hill a little bit, but it's absolutely beautiful here, nice and quiet. Yet it's only a couple of blocks from the center of Zona Romantica, just a walk down the hill here and you're in Zona Romantica, and all the action where the restaurants and bars and clubs are, and the Los Muertos beach. So you're a short walk from all of that action, but yet you're set back here, so it's nice and quiet. I'm going to show you some video of the outside of this area here, and also then take you inside and show you the condo itself. This condo complex here is called Palm in the Tree, which is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo. It's got living space of about 1,150 square feet or so. Now what's amazing about this building is on the roof of this building is a fabulous swimming pool. It's a saltwater heated swimming pool. It has a barbecue area, and you'll see all that in the video. But what's gorgeous about this is that it looks out over the top of the Zona Romantica and looks out on the Bay of Banderas and the ocean. Absolutely gorgeous views from the top of this condo complex. So let's go take a look. I hope you enjoyed the video tour of this great condo, and remember to subscribe to our channel below. Until next time, hasta luego.